Welcome back to the channel. One of the setups that I've been really trying to, I guess, get better is my desk setup. So I've been actually buying a bunch of things on Amazon, and that's why there's this package right here. But I've been trying to put more focus into my office setup because, to be honest, it's really plain, and I've always wanted to have a cool desk setup, but I never really put the money or time into building one. So this is going to be my first step into creating the desk setup that I want or envision. So let's get into the unboxing right now. So this package is pretty big. It's also on the heavier side. Let me try to. Okay, so got the top open, and we're just gonna simply pull this out. So here it is. And it's a little bit far back, but as you guys can see, it is a laptop stand. I am a Mac user or Apple user, so I don't know how much that matters to people, but this one can work for any kind of computer. It's more so about the size of the computer, and this does up to 16, which is perfect because my MacBook Pro is actually the 16-inch. But let's get this one open and see what we're working with. Okay, it's kind of tough getting this out, but there's a bunch of styrofoam to keep the package safe. You have a little wrench. I'm assuming this is to adjust the height and stuff, but here's the user manual. It's a portable laptop stand, and it actually folds all the way down. That's the main reason why I got this one, because it is really efficient and doesn't take up too much space. But there's only 5 steps on using it, so this is definitely on the more user-friendly side. But let's open this up. Still have not gotten a dedicated unboxing knife or anything, so definitely need to get one of those. For now, my nails will work. Oh shoot. Okay, let's throw this away. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the broken down position. It's really nice. It has actually these fittings that holds your computer in place without scratching it. It's really soft, and it's almost rubber like. But alright, let's look at the directions because I don't know how to raise this up. Definitely is on the heavier side. I want to say it's probably about 6-7 pounds. It is aluminum, I believe, and it's pretty durable, so that's good because my computer is actually heavy. But to, easily disassemble it, you kind of just pull up like this. It's pretty strong, I'm not even gonna lie, it's pretty strong. That was a good amount of resistance. But let's see, on the next step, you pull up and then adjust to the proper angle and adjust the tightness with the screwdriver. So this is gonna be the top part. So I don't think I need it that high, so let's bend that down. And then, as you can see, it's a little on the tall side, so let's bend this down. And you can just simply have it at any angle you desire. Let me get my MacBook and test it out. But as you can see, it's holding it really well. And if you want to get another angle, let's see from the side profile. As you can see, it holds onto it quite nicely. It doesn't move at all. It's definitely really tight. I don't think I need any adjusting from the screwdriver because I don't think I'm gonna have it at any particularly crazy angle, so I don't really want to tighten it down and have to keep tightening it. But it's nice that you do have that adjustability. And like I said, I did buy this on Amazon. This was more so because I wanted to have more space on my desk, and usually I would only have my laptop just sitting on the leather pad that I have, but now it could just be in the background, just chilling, or when I eventually get monitors, it could just be stationary while I have the monitor like around this area. But yeah, it was really nice. It was about $39.99, so with some tax, it was probably about 41, 42. But if you want to pick up one like this for yourself, I will have it linked in the description below. And hopefully you guys are kind of liking this new move to my desk setup, because for right now I don't have not too many Nintendo Switch games that I'm gonna unbox or content that I have planned, so I decided to move over to my desk setup. But hopefully you guys liked the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload. Things to, oh my god, this dog.